Chinchillas. Dustbath time. Chinchilla's going crazy over dust baths. I mean, these are sisters. Doing dust baths. Sorry if the camera's clogged. The dust bath, you know. Doing dust baths. I don't be loud. I'm not a loud person. They're just doing dust baths. Do you dust bath, guys? These are chinchillas. You can visit me on Chinchilla Diaries YouTube. Show Me Chinchillas on Facebook. Show Me Chinchilla Facebook. Chinchilla Diaries on Chinchilla Diaries YouTube. Show Me Chinchilla on Facebook. They're the one that does bad. Yeah, they're so cute. These guys are so sweet. Chinchilla Diaries YouTube. Show Me Chinchilla on Facebook. I'm sorry yours died. These are both girls. Please follow me right there. I'm not this like loud person. These are chinchillas. And you're just back. Follow me on Chinchilla Diaries YouTube and on Show Me Chinchillas Facebook page. Follow me there. Yeah, they're taking in this bath. These two are both girls. Midnight. This will be a short live video. Midnight. Hey, sweetheart. No, get back. They're both black velvet girls. Just big ears. They're good girls. Sorry, I don't talk loud. But, they're sweet girls. Go on, no. Here's a Chinchilla Diaries on YouTube. And then Show Me Chinchillas on Facebook. That's my page. If you have any questions about chins, you can message me on there. Yes, they have tiny feet. No, I didn't bite me. See him? They didn't bite me. Watch. They did not bite me. They love me. See? They did not bite me. They're good girls. Nope. No biting. See if they groom me, they like me. Chinchilla Diaries, YouTube, please follow me. And show me. Sorry, my daughter distracted me. They might be done. See, they love fingernails. Oh, you're a good girl. Do the girls? And follow me on Show Me Chinchillas on Facebook. I appreciate it. That's my page. For questions about chinchillas. And Chinchilla Diaries is my YouTube channel. What are you guys doing? See, they love bugs. Alright guys, that'll be it. We're gonna close off for the night. I need to go to bed.